How to buy Black Monday token. So this token came under the symbol of BM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener, and this token created 1 day ago and increased by 500% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending number 9 in Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. It's by clicking here to copy the token address. Now open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. After that, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana before going and buy this token. Now after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and after that, click on I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to your token. Now select a provider by clicking on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, there is only one, and after that click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy BM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.